So I moved to Toronto. My name's Yannick, YouTuber from Southern Africa. Swaziland, grew up in Swaziland to be specific, but I am Congolese by blood. Moved to Canada a year ago, lived in Montreal for 1 month, moved to Ottawa for 11 months. Now recently just moved to Toronto, so I'm a bit all over the place. What are the differences between here and Ottawa? If you were to move here, what would you encounter, and how is life here generally, and how am I feeling? How am I doing? Thank you guys for tuning into the video. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. We're trying to reach 50 subscribers by the end of this month, so I'd appreciate if you guys give the subscription button if you want to see more content from this humble YouTuber. I'll start with the vibe. In terms of vibes, I definitely say Toronto has more vibes compared to Ottawa. Recently there was the Caribana Festival whereby all the Caribbeans pull up, just like celebrate their, culture and have a good time. Unfortunately, I missed it because my grandparents came to visit us on that specific day, so we couldn't go check it out. Hopefully next year we'll go check it out, but I heard it was a vibe. More things are definitely going on here in Toronto compared to Ottawa. To be fair, Toronto is a very big city and is one of the major cities in the world. Canada really has 3 big cities where things go on, things like the vibe, gets down. Vancouver, Toronto, and Montreal. If a big artist like Kendrick, J. Cole come here, most likely they'll go to Montreal, Vancouver, or Toronto. I am now in Mississauga. It's a sub-city, GTA area of Toronto. It's like 30 minutes away from downtown Toronto. This summer, I really want to do a lot of stuff before the summer finishes. Trying to check out the Sears Tower, everything Toronto has to offer. I'll put those in the video too. Just keep tuned, so I'll show you all the vlogs going there. But definitely the vibes here are more compared to Ottawa. The cost of living in Toronto, hey man, in Canada, the rent is just crazy all over. So it is what it is, like I said in the other video. Where I must say, but where I am right now in Mississauga, there's a lot of Asian people, Indians, compared to Ottawa where I was with the Arabic people and a lot of Arabic people, It is what it is, but there's also Brampton, a lot of Caribbean people, Jamaicans, people from Haiti and all that. I definitely say it's diverse. How do I feel? I feel like we made a good decision. We are supposed to go to Vancouver, but we chose to go to Toronto because it's only 5 hours away from Ottawa where we have family. My grandparents are there, so moving to Vancouver would have been a little bit crazy. So moving here is just not that far, because family comes first. So the last thing you want is, as much as you're chasing your dreams, big ambitions, just moving too far from family. But yeah, Toronto, the big city, busy. I must say, what I don't like, definitely the subway systems here are a little bit outdated. It's just constructions constantly. It's these people are always building stuff. You don't even see, you see what they're building, but it's they don't really, they're just constantly building. The roads are always under construction. Maybe it's what comes to a first world country, but these guys are always busy, always all busy on the roads. What would I say I like in Toronto compared to Ottawa? Definitely the vibes. More things to see. It's more diverse than Ottawa, but kind of it's a diverse place to be fair. But yeah, it's more diverse, bigger buildings. And recently we checked out Square One, the biggest mall in Canada. That will be in the next vlog. Hopefully you guys check it out too. Turn on notifications so you see what we got down to. I don't know. What about Ottawa? Ottawa, I just love that it's peaceful. Subway, transit, everything's up to date. Everything's nice, everything's Gucci, everything's fly. It's just peaceful, maybe too peaceful considering the fact that I am from Africa and I came here to see what's up and I'm trying to enjoy life, You only live once, so you're trying to enjoy life. If you want to enjoy life, you gotta move to the major cities, Toronto, Vancouver, or Montreal. That's traffic here is crazy, it's packed, yo. I've never seen such. And there's also an express highway whereby to get to your destination faster, you have to pay to be on that road. That's new. Ottawa traffic is not that crazy, obviously, because it's not a lot of people in Ottawa compared to Toronto. Definitely the traffic is crazy here. This video was basically to update you guys where I've moved from and currently am, and hopefully I'll make nicer videos for you guys, great quality, entertaining videos. So hopefully you guys subscribe, like I said, leave a like button. I'll reach the 50k subs. I'll keep in touch. I'll be uploading more often, don't worry guys. I'm still cooking. It's just like editing takes a while. I'm still getting used to these YouTube things, so bear with me, please bear with me. So I love you guys. See you in the next video, okay?